Today it's Tuesday. Earlier I made the video for the cylinder head for the CJX. Tuesday, March 28, 2023. What do we have here? We have a noisy diff from a Jaguar F-Type 2014 model. Alright, it makes some sound, the diff, and there are coming some pieces out. When they drain the guys the oil, they saw me, and it was there was some glitter, there was some metallic shavings inside. Let's open it to see what we're gonna find inside. Mr. Derek, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Nice day for fishing, ain't it? Yay. Alright. Let's see if we get away with only bearings. It's gonna be nice for the owner, for the customer. If you need the ring and pinion, it's gonna be a different story. If it's only bearings and seals, we are good. Fire up. Let's start. Opening the cover. What do you see? You see oil. The guys yesterday, they said to me, we remove the diff, we put for you on the table to open it, and they just didn't drain the oil. It's not the first time. With the transmissions happening the same thing, with the differentials happening the same thing. I don't know why. When it's mounted on the car, it's very easy to just drain the oil, you know? Okay. I'm not expecting something more than this. Now you see glitter everywhere. It looks like that there is a problem with the bearings and not with the ring and the pinion. That's how it looks like, at least to me. It's not missing any teeth from here, from the gears. Alright, I need to see also behind this gear. No, it looks nice. It looks nice. That's a good news. That's good news. It looks like that we're gonna get away only with some bearings and seals. Splendid. Nice. Yeah, big mess with the oil. Need to be washed, all these things. You're gonna see that at the end, how it's gonna be. So, let's move on. Let's strip it off completely. I'm gonna wash some parts from the diff. Actually, all of them. And I'm gonna get the bearings as a sample to find for me bearings. Koyo, SKF, made in Japan, made in France, Team Ken, whatever it's available, whatever has the same size, just good quality bearings. New seals, I'm not gonna close it with the old seals, same thing here. New nut for the pinion here, and the crash washer inside. Now with the seams, we're gonna see about that. I'm gonna measure also the clearance between the ring and the pinion, as it is right now, just in case, to have a reference. Alright, let's get also the dial indicator, and moving on. Okay, half open the diff. The problem is not located here on the carrier bearings. These are okay. The problem is on the pinion bearings. Listen to this. Yep, they put also fresh oil inside, but if the bearing is already gone, it doesn't change anything. Same thing. Alright, let's continue opening it. They have to change the drive shaft rubber coupler, and we have to send the drive shaft for checking to see that it's okay and doesn't have any problem. Let's move on. And obviously, we're gonna get replaced also the carrier bearings here on the diff, and the pinion bearings and the seals. Like I said, I'm not gonna change only the pinion bearings. Alright, makes sense, right? Moving on. Back inside of the engine room. Before I unpress the bearings, let's see how it looks like. The carrier bearings here, it's not that bad. It has a wear, you can see clearly, but it's not that bad like the pinion bearings. Now, the housing, the cover, the ring, the yoke, okay, all the parts are here, fine. Then we have the pinion, and we have the bearings of the pinion. This is the race, this is the rear one. This it will gonna produce sound, this it will gonna make sound, and that's why it was making sound. All right, and the front one, it's even worse than the rear one. It's time to be replaced, these bearings. Don't forget that this diff, it does have a drain plug. You cannot open the drain plug, it has only the filling point from where you're putting the differential oil. From the factory they are saying it's lifetime, classic. And second thing, don't forget that here in this country, the ambient temperature is reaching up to 50 degrees. So it's not, you cannot compare, let us say, the same diff while you're gonna be in Germany, let us say, or in Alaska, and you compare it to in Middle East. That's my point. Imagine, let us say, cruising inside of the city, start and stop, and then go to the highway, push a little bit the car, and then stop again and go again inside the city. So there's not enough airflow to cool down the fluid in the diff. And again, how long do you think it's gonna last, the oil, right? In any case, good thing is that the ring and the pinion, I don't see anywhere any problem. It's fine. The only problem what I see here, it's only the bearings. That's why you see also that when I spin the pinion, when I remove the ring, the carrier, when I spin it, it was make so much sound. And it makes sense with the race in this condition. Okay, now unpressing the bearings, giving it as a sample. The bearings are Timken, made in USA. Nothing wrong with that. We might find Timken here made in France, made in Japan, made in USA, I don't know where. We're gonna see what I'm gonna find. The same quality. Okay. So that's it pretty much. Unpressing the bearings. The seals, sorry. 1 second, the seals, I keep it out. Doesn't make any sense to bring it in. Okay, the two axle seals and the pinion seal, it's here outside. Now, like I said, unpressing the bearings, alright, removing the bearings, giving it as a sample, need the seals, need a couple of bolts, here you apply sealant on the cover, there is no gasket, it's fine, nothing wrong with that. Next video, when we're gonna have the parts, okay, that's it, thank you very much, over and out. I haven't uploaded yet the video. Alright, let me show you also this. Now, from the carrier the bearings both are out, from the pinion both out. That's the pinion bearings, that's the carrier bearings, crash washer nut, the seals, all open. Okay, I didn't move the pin here to take it out because there is no extra clearance, so there is no problem with the gears here, so it's pointless. It does have a clutch inside or something. It's an open diff. Understood? Does make any sense. I'm afraid that I'm not gonna find this pin. Even if I open it, I'm not gonna find the same one. So like this, fine. Waiting for the parts, that's the end. Thank you.